Golly.
RuckusWorld.com.
Hello, YouTube, will you please talk to me? I don't know why you take my account away from me. Why I get suspended but you don't explain to me. Why you make me cry, is it because I am Chinese? Because I am Chinese, YouTube don't like me. They fuck me in the butthole without using Vaseline. My name is DJ Not Nice and I can speak in Mandarin. I fry my beef fried rice, I like to eat my tangerine. So why do you suspend my friend Raka Ari? Say hello to my raider friend, his name is Toby Quee. Stop pissing off everyone, YouTube, you really suck. I think I used to think this used to be America. What the fuck's up your butt? And a black brother call? Should he just be some dumb fucking French guy?
I'm from Quebec. I come to my home after all day long. I was running California. I go to my favorite YouTube page and I find out that it's gone. I have the perfect part for YouTube in Terminator 4. They will be the guy that I crush with my fist when I find out I'm a clone.
The way you keep the reading thing, we're not stop Raka. 1 billion Chinese people watch Kung Fu shows in China. Since Google bought YouTube, YouTube has gotten really fucked up. I will go ask Jeeves next time I need to know about stuff.
Enough with the voices, this is Raka and I'm pissed off with all this. So get off my dick, bitch. Enough with the bullshit, you salty cause you're not a star. You just wish I commit suicide, don't you?
I'm being nice, but society made me DJ Not Nice. Like it's my fault if you ain't one of Rucka's knuckers.
And now, Seymour Schwartz.
What's this mission, guys? You taking down the YouTube page for what? It's what the kids want to hear these days. I don't come to your house and pull the dildo out your hand.
Stop pulling off Rucker stuff and grow a couple nuts. You little faggots, grow some hair on your cock and balls. Suck on my schlong if you don't like Rucker. You're all just mad cause Rucker knows him a black guy. Stop pulling off all them songs, this is America. If you don't like this country, you're just an asshole. What's all this pork and a joke? Just be said anymore. When did the internet turn into Russia? Oh, hello, Lenin. Здравствуй, Lenin, Stalin, yeah, Gorbachev. Gorbachev, bring down the wall, come on. Hello, please. We go to space.
Tired of this bullshit. I was pulling down my YouTube page for what? I didn't do nothing wrong, man. I think there's some racial shit. Fuck this shit. Man, you know what? This ain't China. Know what I'm saying? This ain't Nazi Mexico. This ain't about me. This ain't about YouTube. This ain't about free speech. This ain't about music. I just made all these videos so that I find some bitches to wear my shoes and walk on my back for me. It's like Zach Fairclough said. Smack a bitch once, shame on her. But now that bitches know I'm fly, forget YouTube. RuckusWorld.com, that's where I'll be if you need me.
RuckusWorld.com.